Hello students, in this video lecture I will teach you how to work with Linux terminal and how you can write the program in Linux terminal using VI editor. You will also learn how to compile and run the program. So let's begin with a C program. Suppose you want to write a simple program of addition of two numbers, then you just type vi and after that program name. Suppose you want to write addition. See, okay, here vi is editor and addition is program name dot c is extension of the program. You have to put enter button and you will get new screen editor window. In this editor window you have to press I it means insert. Okay, now you can type the program. Suppose I am typing a program. Make a good practice to indent the program so it increases the traceability and readability of the program. Enter first number. Address of suppose I want to copy these two lines, then this is the command. First you put the escape button. Escape, it means it will get out from the insert mode, and after that you have to press y, and y I want to copy bottom two lines, so after y I will press 2 and bottom arrow. So three lines have yanked, and suppose I want to paste after this line, then I will just put the P button. So line has copied and pasted. Again I will press the insert I button to get into insert mode. Second number. Okay, I have taken two input. Now I will add these two number and store result into result equal to n1 plus n2. Okay, now I will display the result. Print percentage t. Okay, this program is successfully written, and I will get out from the this editor window. So I have pressed escape button. Now I will put colon. After colon you can write you if you want to write the program, then just put write. If you want to quit the program, then just q and not equal to. If you want to write and quit, then wq. Okay, again you comes into the terminal window. Now our program is written. Now next process is compilation of the program. How to compile the program? Then just put GCC and program file name addition.c. GCC is a compiler by which we can compile the C program. Okay, okay. It means program has been successfully compiled without any error. And how you can run after compilation? You will get a binary file. File name is a.out. You can just see by using ls command. Okay, suppose I want to run the program, then you can write dot forward slash a dot out. This is the process to run the successfully compiled code. Okay, it is asking a number. Suppose I want to put 4 and second number is 5, then a result is 9. Okay, so this is the for writing a code, and this is for compilation of the C code, and this is for the execution of the C code. Okay, but in this program, one warning message is in this program I have intentionally left. So how you can check the warning message? Just type WALL wall. It means it gives the all warning of the addition.c code. Okay, WALL, it means warning all. Okay, it gives the one warning. It non-void functions. It control reaches end of non-void function. It means we must put the so I have again opened the code, and I will put the here return 0. Okay, I will get out from this code and again compile. So this time it does not gives any warning message. Okay, and output is again. Okay, this is the process. And for clear screen you can also use here in GCC compiler. It does not support CLR SCR function like turbo C, so you can just put one additional function here. It means system. Okay, system clear is function used to clear the screen. If you are working in a turbo C, then you can write here CLR SCR function. Okay, and for this you have to use header file include h. Okay, stdlib.h. Now I will get out from the code and GCC. Okay, program has no error, no warning, and when I will run this code, then it will clear the screen. Okay, every time program will clear the screen and output will be displayed into new refreshed screen. So this is the complete process of compilation execution of the C code in Linux terminal using GCC compiler. In next video lecture, I will demonstrate you how to write C++ program in Linux terminal using VI editor and compilation and execution process of the C++ program. Okay, thanks for watching.